Have you ever asked yourself, I wish I had some more time? Have you ever asked your Professor, can I have some more time to complete this particular assignment? It's rightly said by Sen Mahir, time and tide waits for none. Once an action has passed, it stays in the past and can never come to the present. Time never stops. Time is the most crucial part of human's life, and yet most of us does not know how to stick to our daily rituals to avoid the backlogs that we have. In terms of economics, time is just like money. According to Justin Stafford, time is the scarcest resource in the human life, and time allocation determines the price of goods and services. For students, especially college-going students, improper time management skill is the biggest issue they face, which causes indeed stress and anxiety. According to research by Westgate Research, 30 to 35% students did agree that they face improper time management skills and stress due to that. There are many reasons because of which students actually faces this time management related issues. The biggest being alcohol and drug use. Again, in the same research conducted by Westgate Research, 40 to 45% who were actually students who were actually using alcohol or drug did mention that they were having some mental issues, which indeed was causing an indirect relation to them on their academic life. Severe depression and anxiety is a direct stimuli of improper time management skills. Improper time management skills causes a state of worthlessness, a state in which students actually feel that they are good for nothing because they are not sticking to their time and creating a lot of backlogs. Also, they are not meeting the expectations of their families and themselves. In some worst cases, students take decisions like ruining their relationship with their families, severe depression, and suicide. In a research conducted at Western Michigan University, 18% undergraduate students and 15% graduate students did try to commit suicide every year in the United States. And out of the percentage just mentioned, 4% actually harm themselves in some way or the other. There are many ways in which one can implement time management skills in their life. The biggest being determination, credibility, and commitment to yourself. Once you have a focus towards your final goal, nobody can stop you from managing time. Even though we can create a lot of timetables and tasks according to our list of priorities, but not all of us can actually stick to it because again, to follow a timetable, we need the time management skills. So just committing to yourself, prioritizing things and determination towards working towards your goal would actually help you follow time management skills properly and inculcate that. Finally, exercise and meditation is another factor that helps students, especially college-going students, deal with stress and anxiety and, in fact, time management-related issues. According to the same research conducted by Westgate Research, 40 to 60% students mentioned that who were like exercising daily were actually doing really good in the college. According to Hensley's research, a 3-credit college course was being introduced in a 4 years college at the beginning of the 4 years, and by the end of the 4 years, they created a survey for the graduating class after 3 months of the graduation, and in fact 70% of the graduated students did mention that the 3-credit college course did actually help them in gaining the important life lessons and actually the time management skills, which was helping them in their professional and the work related life as well. In a nutshell, I like to say time management skill is a really bigger issue on a scale if we see for college going students, and many students indeed end up doing bad decisions, maybe ruining their relationship with their families, or maybe taking bad decisions like suicides, and stopping them is just in your hands. So if you're determined towards your towards your goals and focus towards how to achieve your goals, nobody can stop you from managing your time and working on that properly. And lastly, I like to say for colleges, they can consider implementing a 3-credit college course into their degree program and make it mandatory for all the students in the college so that they can actually inculcate the life lessons and a proper time management skill which can actually help them do better in their life mentally and physically. Thank you so much. You have a time day.